Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can inbuilt or attach a video in Gmail. So let's go to Gmail first. After login to Gmail, you'll find here this compose icon or pencil icon. Just click on this. Put here the name you want to send or the full email address. Then write here your subject as normal email. Then you'll find here attachment icon, this one. If you want to embed or attach a video which is smaller than 25 megabytes, then just click on this and go to your video section like this. Now just click open and it will be uploaded here. Okay, so if the video is larger than 25 megabyte, then it will be go as Google Drive link. Okay, so if it's less than 25 megabytes, it will go directly via mail. So you can write here the description. Then you just click on this send and your video will be sent to that specific email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.